Welcome to the Go Big with Gib podcast, where we talk to professionals, business owners, and entrepreneurs about their big wins. What's up, everyone? Welcome back to this episode of Go Big with Gib. Let me say this clearly right out of the gate. I am extremely bullish on crypto in 2026. Not hopeful, not speculative, conviction level bullish. And I believe the major assets are setting up to hit new all-time highs sooner than most people expect. The real question is not if, it's whether you're positioned before it's obvious to everyone else. Here's how this always works. Smart money positions early, retail shows up late, and then everyone says, I wish I had bought more. Right now, we're still in that phase where doubt exists, where headlines are mixed, where people are waiting for confirmation. That's usually the last chance to buy intelligently. By the time all-time highs are obvious, the easy money is gone. Zoom out. Institutional capital is here, infrastructure is built, regulation is becoming clearer, and adoption is no longer theoretical. Crypto is no longer on the fringe. It's becoming financial gravity. And historically, when majors start moving, they don't ask permission. They move fast and they move violently. Here's the key distinction. Average investors wait for certainty. Smart investors position during uncertainty. They don't chase green candles. They build exposure methodically. They understand this is not a trade. It's positioning for a cycle. Always remember, this is not financial advice. It's strategic thinking. Smart investors focus on quality first. Majors before speculation. Long-term conviction over short-term noise. They scale in. They avoid leverage they can't control, and they think in years, not days. They also understand this. You don't need to catch the exact bottom to win big. You just need to be early enough. Until next time, stay disciplined and go big. Thank you for listening to this episode of Go Big with Gib. If you haven't already, go follow us on social media at Gib Irons. We'll see you next time.